Good afternoon. My name is Specialist Padilla with the Irwin Army Community Hospital, here to teach you how to enroll and use the 24-hour pharmacy ScriptCenter pickup option. With your first visit, you will need to enroll, which takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So to start the initial process, you're going to want to select the middle section, which is enroll. Then read through and accept the military verbiage. Since you will be picking up at our pharmacy, you'll go ahead and select yes. Go ahead and enter your valid prescription number. Then go ahead and select enter. Then type in your date of birth. Create a user ID, which is at least 6 characters long. Then select enter as highlighted. Then you will create a 4-digit PIN code. You will go ahead and select a PIN recovery question. Select your military ID for your login method. Then you will go ahead and sign to authorize your enrollment. A receipt will print with your user ID on it. Go ahead and select Quit.